it's great because, it's so much more meaningful when you're developing an app that's your own idea, and it's so much better than, the typical making a blog or your typical CRUD app. Hello, my name is Ed, and just wanted to share my PDM experience with you. I've been a systems administrator for 19 years, and coming up on 20 years working at the same place. So I figured it's probably time to start looking to do something else or go somewhere else. So I joined PDM to get a deeper understanding of Python, and I had used Python scripting before at work, but never really made an app from end to end. And so I went to PDM for that and definitely learned that. You start out by with an idea for an app, and they take you from end to end developing your idea. And it's great because, it's so much more meaningful when you're developing an app that's your own idea, and it's so much better than, the typical making a blog or your typical CRUD app. So that was definitely great. Learned a lot of Python from them. Also at work, I don't work with developers every day, so this was a great way to be able to interact with other people who are developers. Um, in the mindset hacking sessions, you learn the mindset that it takes to be a developer and how to be effective. And the Slack community is also great for being able to interact with other people. So all in all, I feel it's a really great experience, a really great way to learn Python and just be amongst other people who like-minded people. So if you're on the fence about it, I definitely recommend that you give it a try. Good luck to you, and thank you for listening.